So they're going to be over here at Grill King in Marion, Ohio. Final Saturday for the Rod Knockers car show over here. Got a brawler Carby on this guy. Looks like he's going to run some quarter miles. We saw this one pulling in. It's a Cutlass. Wow. Pretty beautiful Cutlass. Trying to think how I was going to do this. We'll just kind of knock out this back row. It's not even 5:30 yet, hardly. It runs 5 to 9. A project car. One for the Mopar lovers with a big Magnum engine and everything. So my brother had something. Infrared, the Mach Ford. Haven't seen one of these for a while, and I'm trying to copy the. He's popular that this one together, or someone whoever made it did. Will make me a louver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it comes up short for some reason or another. And then it ties into the spoiler. That's where they all was back then. But the back window on my Prius is only 24 inches, I think, this way, 2 feet. Or this one's probably a good 3 foot. So I'm thinking I can only fit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that would be 2 feet. And then I like how they put a bar down the middle, and then they all look flat, but to help them from flopping. Not to stick down. It sticks to the window, then you bolt it to. I can see part of it. The first one's the one that's going to flop the most. Yeah, pretty beautiful car. Kind of shined up nice. It's a lot of work, man. That's just an idea on building me a louver, because no one makes it. Well, I found it so far. I haven't looked too much though. Then get to measuring and maybe cut one down that's made for a different car. So yeah, this truck has my attention. It's this work, probably 68. I had 5 of these. Got the toolbox in the bottom of the bed. That tells me it's a Western truck, and it has the 390, which I call the school bus engine, and a slammed bag for there. Still has that twin I-beam front. I'm kind of wondering when I see this if that's what my uncle had. My uncle had something kind of like that. I was thinking, man, if he still had that, that would be a good car show. It's a Suburban. What is that? You didn't see a whole lot of it. It's like a plumber's truck. That's what my uncle was, a radio guy. It's called a panel truck. It says it's a 1960 panel truck. Wow. Has the 4 headlights. 1960. I don't see my other neighbor here. So I thought this was a car that was pulling in, but it's up there, and we're not going to walk by it again. The Rabbit convertible with the top down, and had the dog in it. Nice, a showgirl's car. But this one doesn't. Yeah, it does say Volkswagen. For the showgirl. A movie set car here. It's off pink, for lack of a better term. Another black. It says it's a Fairlane 500 on this one versus the Pontiacs for what was it? Falcons. I'm sorry. It has a 289. It's a Fairlane 500. It's pretty badass. This one's kind of neat. It's like a modern looking color of a paint, but it's old for the Mopar fan. It's kind of rare looking. It's the Dart GT. Pretty beautiful, isn't it? Okay, and then we'll walk down here and we'll be done. This is another mock, it looks like it. The 73 Mustang. '73 Mustang. Looks like a pretty fast car there. It looks fast. This one looks even faster. Yeah, just a quick walk around. Nice to be back in Marion. Thanks for watching. Big fat block under there.